Last year, we created the LaserPecker laser engraving machine. We showed it in Kickstarter, and you liked it. We created a community with more than 2,000 supporters and 50,000 users all over the world. Now, we are back. This is LaserPecker 2, the new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine adopts our most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution. 10 times the speed increase. This means fast, super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything, and it will give you higher power and more possibilities. The features of LaserPecker Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier. Handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation. 5-watt power supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness below 5 millimeters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, LaserPecker Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. LaserPecker Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable. Put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. LaserPecker can always capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now, we are back. Be the first one to enjoy LaserPecker 2. The super fast LaserPecker 2.
Over the last 6 years, we've developed a new type of technology. It works like a magical looking glass. By controlling the direction of millions of rays of light, what you see through it becomes as real as the world around you. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, your first personal holographic display. The looking glass portrait generates dozens of perspectives simultaneously. This results in a three-dimensional hologram that floats out of the display, viewable by multiple people. No headsets required.
I'm Sean Frayne, and I'm part of the team that created the world's first holographic display back in 2018. And it's all been leading up to this. This is a memory machine, and it's a tool for holographic exploration, and it's a new canvas for 3D creators, all wrapped into one device. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, and it's your first personal holographic display.
Hello. For the last couple of years, we at Journey to the Microcosmos have been taking you into a world that is our world, and yet is also another world. Invisible but beautiful. Easy to ignore but wildly dramatic. Beneath our notice but vital. We invite people into that world through our videos, but now we want to invite people to take their own journeys and to share them. We, in partnership with our Master of Microscopes, James, have developed a microscope designed for content creation. Instead of just staring with your eyes, take advantage of the marvelous cameras that we all have on our cell phones, both to view the microcosmos and to record it, so you can share your discoveries with the rest of the world. One of the most common questions we get is, what microscope should you buy? But it turns out that's a complicated question. Filters, objectives, eyepieces, condensers, and we think you should know about all of that, but it's not as simple as just linking to a microscope that's the best option. After all, the body of a microscope is just a stand. It's the things you tack onto it that make it great. And so, we wanted to build something we think is a great base-level microscope and also provide some options to tack onto it depending on your goals. The first of these options is a set of oblique illumination and dark field filters. Oblique illumination can add a sense of depth to your image, while dark field microscopy highlights samples on a dark background rather than a light background. And there's also an option for a set of Reinberg filters. These can make your images more dramatic by adding color or color gradients. And then for our highest perk level, in addition to including the achromatic lenses, we will also include a set of plan objectives. An achromatic lens will have more distortion in the outer 35% of the field of view, while the plan objectives reduce that distortion to only the outer 5%. Plan objectives are more expensive because they have twice as many little lenses packed inside doing the work of decreasing aberrations. But the cheapest microscope we have available here uses the same lenses as the ones we filmed our first episodes of Journey to the Microcosmos on. So all of these options are wonderful options. Also, remember, microscopy is about a lot more than just equipment. Great work can be done without going all in, and the parts of microscopy that aren't microscopes, well, there's a lot of them, and we can help with that as well. Sample collection, taking care of cultures, identification of microbes, all part of the game. And so we've worked with James to create a short booklet that gives an introduction to all of these things, which is included on its own or with all of our other perk levels. And of course, we're doing all of this with the hope that you will find things that you will want to share with your friends, with the internet, and with us. Frankly, we can only discover so much alone, so we wanted to give you a head start and push you in the right direction. We cannot wait to see what you find.
Introducing Xchange, the hot swappable tool changer that's designed for any 3D printer. Xchange incorporates an elegant mechanical and electrical connection that enables rapid tool changes in a single motion. It features an interchangeable tool plate with a robust magnetic locking mechanism for fast, easy changes. Whether you want to try out new tools or accessories, experiment with multi-material prints, make use of spare parts, or just maximize uptime for your printers, Xchange makes it possible. We designed Xchange to be widely functional, yet maintain the smallest, lightest footprint possible. Made in the USA, Xchange features an anodized aluminum frame, aerospace-grade electrical connectors, and is readily compatible with most existing 3D printers. Compatible with virtually any combination of tools and accessories you can imagine, Xchange opens up a world of new possibilities with the printer you already have. So, how will you use Xchange?